JavaScript is a versatile programming language used to make websites interactive and dynamic. It adds functionality and brings web pages to life, making them more engaging and user-friendly. Without JavaScript, websites would be static, dull, and far less engaging for users. Imagine clicking a button and nothing happening. JavaScript ensures that actions are triggered, making the web experience interactive. It allows users to interact with websites in exciting and innovative ways, enhancing user experience. JavaScript is different from HTML and CSS, each serving a unique purpose in web development. HTML provides the basic structure of a web page, acting as the foundation. CSS styles the look and feel, adding visual appeal and design elements. JavaScript adds behavior and interactivity, making the web page responsive to user actions. Think of it like this. HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the skin and clothes, and JavaScript is the muscles and nerves that make it move and respond. Learning JavaScript opens up a world of possibilities for web designers, enabling them to create more complex and interactive websites. It allows you to create dynamic and engaging experiences for your users, making your websites stand out in the digital landscape. Interactivity is key to a successful website. It keeps users engaged and encourages them to explore. JavaScript empowers you to create interactive elements. These elements can range from simple image carousels to complex web applications. Interactive websites are more user-friendly and enjoyable to use. They provide a sense of control and personalization. Users can tailor their experience by interacting with different elements. This level of engagement leads to longer visit durations and lower bounce rates. JavaScript's ability to handle user input, manipulate content, and respond to events makes it an indispensable tool for creating interactive web experiences. Forms are crucial for collecting information from users. They serve as the primary means of interaction between a website and its visitors. Whether it's a contact form for inquiries, a survey to gather feedback, or a login page to secure user access, JavaScript significantly enhances their functionality. It can validate user input in real time, provide instant feedback to users, and improve the overall user experience by making forms more interactive and responsive. For example, JavaScript can check if an email address is entered correctly as the user types, ensuring accuracy. This prevents invalid submissions, reduces errors, and minimizes frustration for both the user and the website owner. JavaScript can also be used to create dynamic forms that adapt based on user selections, making the process more intuitive. By using JavaScript to enhance forms, you can make them more user-friendly, efficient, and less prone to errors. This not only improves user satisfaction, but also increases the overall effectiveness of your website's data collection. Dynamic content changes based on user actions or preferences. JavaScript plays a vital role in creating these personalized experiences. It can fetch data from a server without reloading the entire page, resulting in a seamless and engaging user experience. Imagine a news website that updates its content in real time as new articles are published, or an e-commerce site that displays product recommendations based on your browsing history. These are all examples of dynamic content powered by JavaScript. By using JavaScript to create dynamic content, you can provide a more personalized and engaging experience for your users. Animations add a touch of magic to websites, transforming static pages into dynamic experiences. They can be subtle transitions or eye-catching effects that enhance the visual appeal, making the user experience more enjoyable and engaging. JavaScript provides the tools to create smooth and engaging animations, allowing developers to bring their creative visions to life with ease. For example, you can use JavaScript to create a fade-in effect when a user hovers over an image, adding an interactive element that captures attention. Or you can create a smooth scrolling effect that animates the page as the user scrolls, providing a seamless and fluid navigation experience. Animations can also be used to provide visual feedback, such as a button changing color when clicked, giving users immediate responses to their actions. By using JavaScript to create animations, you can add personality and visual interest to your websites, making them more memorable and engaging. This not only enhances user satisfaction, but also encourages repeat visits. JavaScript libraries are pre-written collections of code. They simplify common tasks and save you time. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use these libraries to add complex functionality with ease. One popular JavaScript library is jQuery. It simplifies tasks like DOM manipulation, event handling, and animations. With jQuery, you can write less code and achieve more in less time. There are countless other libraries available, each specializing in different areas. Using JavaScript libraries can significantly speed up your development process and help you build more complex websites with less effort. JavaScript is an essential tool for any web designer looking to create engaging and interactive experiences. Its ability to handle user input, manipulate content, and create dynamic effects makes it an invaluable asset. By understanding the basics of JavaScript, you can unlock a world of possibilities for your websites. Remember, learning JavaScript is a journey. Start with the fundamentals and gradually build your knowledge. There are countless resources available online, including tutorials, documentation, and communities. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the ride.